everything's bright, everyone's happy, and spirits are light. I am sitting here thinking, alone with my drink, as I do this time of the year. Do you remember when love was around, when we were aglow, the talk of the town? When I'm sitting here drinking, I can't help but think about you, about us, as I do this time of the year. I remember me being with you. Was that just a dream that never came true? I am sitting here sinking, drink after drink, as I do this time of the year. Thought I was trying to forget you. I must have forgotten. I am lost in my memories, pouring the hours away. Say, do you remember we used to be near? You don't recall, you forgot as I'd feared. I don't blame you if memory fails you, but I must admit I am thinking on you every minute, each hour, every day of Christmas again. I'll spend it, I think, on my own. But who knows, who can tell? I just might call some friend. But you know, if I pick up that phone and we meet up for drinks, the longer I stay, I'll only have sad things to say. Oh well, it's Christmas again. Best if I spend it alone. Oh well, I have no one to blame. It's nobody's fault but my own. And from what I can tell, all the tales are the same. You don't know what you've got till it's gone. Everything crumbled and withered away. I failed, what more can I say? Oh well, ring them bells for woman and child, and maybe for a lost man like me. Ring again, ring for them who have nothing but time, the sad ones with no place to be. Ring for the loser who's lost what he had. Ring for the bitter and mad. Ring them bells for the mother and child. Ring for the absent like me.
Hey there, buddy, it's just me again. Came into my mind last night, so I'm just checking in. It's been far too long now since I last saw you, my friend. So happy Christmas from me to you. Hey there, buddy, it's just me again. I wonder what you're doing now, and if you're listening, I just wish there was some way things could have been different. But happy Christmas from me to you. Sometimes it's too much to handle. It's like I'm losing control. I'm struggling in the crossroads of being too warm or too cold. Hey there, buddy, it's just me again. You walked out of my life that time, and I guess I'm still wondering, do you still think of me sometimes? Or have you truly moved on? Anyway, happy Christmas from me to you. Oh, happy Christmas from me to you.